weather. It is still hot out there. These are our heat indices. It feels like 97 in Sioux City, 101 in Takema. Will the heat let up? I'll let you know when. Coming up next.
You're watching ABC9 News at 10 with Allison Warren, meteorologist Elisa Raffa, and sports anchor Alex Walker. This is ABC9 News at 10.
Welcome back. It's just a clear night out there on the Port Neal Company Skycam HD. Just pretty few clouds, but it is still hot. Got to a high of only 94 today. And I say only because I bet many of you are thinking, what is she talking about? It felt so much hotter than that. And it did. Our highest heat index, like what it actually felt like, was 110. So it was toasty out there, even though it was only 94. Our low this morning was 74. Both are well above normal for this time of year. Temperatures are still toasty, 86 in Sioux City, 87 in Takema, and still some more 80s in Cherokee and in Denison as well. And that humidity is just oppressive and sticky. Pair of 7s in Sioux City and 79 in Takema. That's the dew point. Near 80 dew points is very oppressive, just does not feel good. And because of these dew points, we still have heat indices at 10 o'clock at night. Feels like 101 in Takema. Feels like 97 in Sioux City. So it is still hot out there, and we will continue with this hot trend for tomorrow. Temperatures will get up into the 90s again. Day number 2 in the 90s. 93, 94 should be our high, but we'll have decreasing humidity plus some smoke from the Canadian wildfires. So I think it won't feel as bad. Yes, it will be hot. Yes, it'll be in the 90s, but as far as it being oppressive, it won't feel as bad. Tornado watches have been cleared for Siouxland, so at least that's good news as we head through the night, although some isolated storms are still possible. We are in a slight risk for some scattered severe weather tonight, mainly for Sioux City and east of I-29. However, although I don't think we should brush this off, we should still pay attention. I think towards our north and east, they'll really steal our thunder, literally. There's a moderate risk for severe weather towards Minneapolis. This is some very serious, widespread severe weather going on here. All the energy for the severe weather, I think, will be focused here, where it won't pay so much attention towards Siouxland. So yes, we could still see an isolated storm or two, but I think most of the action will be more north and east. Tomorrow it moves towards Chicago. So if you're planning for some summer travel with the kids at their home from school and headed to other big cities, just remember, keep that in mind tomorrow as the more dangerous weather over there. But for right now, our satellite radar is quiet. You can see that activity is staying north in Minneapolis, Minnesota. But Stormcast HD does show us still hot. This stationary front is what's causing all this trouble with the severe weather. It's going to push north and east again. That's where those storms will be centered. We're going to stay hot tonight and tomorrow. That heat's just going to really stick around. But as I mentioned, we do have this northwest wind that's going to help a little bit. It'll decrease that humidity. The humidity will be in the 60s rather than the 70s like they were today. And will bring in some smoke, which should also cool our temperatures just a little bit. So still hot, but a little bit better than today. Those severe storms move towards Chicago tomorrow. Will stay dry. Tuesday will still be hot, but again, at least a little bit less humid for your Tuesday. Wednesday, we finally get rid of hot and we just get back to normal for temperatures, but with a cost, we do return with some storm chances as we head through Wednesday. So tonight, muggy and humid night, 73 degrees, isolated storms again, mainly east of I-29. For tomorrow, hot, still hot, but a bit less humid with some areas of smoke. Your high is 94. 7-day brings the sun out for through Tuesday. Some storm chances return Wednesday. Hot again for the weekend. Again, as always, with the heat and this active severe weather that we're seeing, stay updated on social media.
All right, we'll definitely try and find a way to stay cool with all this heat we've had.
Yeah, it's going to be tough, but at least tomorrow will feel a little better.
All right, thanks so much, Elisa.